Hello everybody, Tim Carico here. Today is September 20th, 2019. Beautiful day. A little cooler out this morning. It's in the 50s. I'm glad to see those 90s starting to get behind us. Had a lot of them this year. It's really hot. Just wanted to make this short intro to show you what this D41 turned out like. This Martin D41 kit. Beautiful. I'll grab the camera and bring you in closer and show you more detail a little bit closer here in a minute, but I just wanted to let you see how it sounds as well. Thanks, hit like and subscribe. Here's the Martin D41 close-up I promised you. Look at that finish. Check that out. Rosewood side and backs, high quality rosewood. Bring the Martin D41 kit. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. We'll get back to you. Before gluing the backs together, you need to candle them. Hold them together, hold them up to a light source. Make sure that there's no light showing through. You know your seam will be true. Put down a piece of wax paper to protect the table. Okay, on the top, it comes with a filler strip. It's made out of Teflon that you pull out and you replace it with the abalone inlay. It comes with a kit. So we'll pull that out and save that for future jobs. Should always lay it out like this first. There will be a gap in between them, but you want that centered because your neck will overlap and come down. This one looks a little close. I'm going to try and rotate it all around. And then we'll take some of this super glue, number 10 thin. You probably can't see that, but there's the receipt from Lowe's. I bought, they had a sheet of 2 foot by 4 foot birch plywood, 3/4 inch, that was 26.48. I simply had them cut it in half for me, so I ended up with 2 pieces of 2 foot by 2 foot. I bought 2 3/4 inch wooden dowels that was 4 foot long. I cut that in half myself, drilled the 3/4 inch holes, one in each corner, and glued it up. And these rods are simply just insulation supports that is used to hold up insulation in basements and attics and stuff. And then I bought these little rubber tips to go on them so it doesn't scratch your wood or anything. Off of Amazon, there's like $6 for 100 or something, maybe $7 for 100, and it works out really, really well. The tip for today.